Discover this stunning 4-bedroom, 4-bath estate in Goochland, Virginia, set in the heart of Hunt Country. Spanning 47 scenic acres of rolling pastures, hardwoods, and open fields, this property perfectly blends luxury living with a true equestrian lifestyle. The farm includes fenced pastures, 2 large loafing sheds, a 4-stall center aisle barn with a tack and feed room, and a spacious equipment barn that could easily convert into another horse barn. Inside, the custom-built home showcases elegant design and natural light throughout, featuring a 2-sided stone fireplace, flagstone floors, and walls of windows overlooking a serene pond. The chef's kitchen flows into open living areas, while the first-floor primary suite offers spa-like comfort. Outside, enjoy a goonite pool, flagstone patios, and beautifully landscaped grounds. a perfect Virginia blend of sophistication, space, and